Most homeowners don't think too much about ductwork, but they should. Ducts are like the veins in your home, taking warm and cold air to every room in the house. When there are leaks in the ductwork, the air doesn't travel well at all, so many of the rooms aren't heated or cooled properly.
In simple terms, if you took a 100-foot garden hose and you put 50 holes in that garden hose, how much water do you think is actually coming out? Next to none, right?
Right.
You fill all those holes, and all of a sudden you've got the pressure at the end of the hose where you're expecting it to be. Ductwork in a house works in exactly the same way.
And if you give it a ton of holes, which we have in all the cleats and all the joins,
there's leakage.
Today, we're going to use an aerosol sealant that blocks most of the leakage. You're going to block all the registers. You're going to force that sealant into all the ductwork, and wherever the escapes or the leakage is, it will fill those holes.
That's right.
Let's push start. Already, it's sealing leakage. It's going in the right direction. It's going down. Yeah. After about an hour, the sealing is complete. So, it was leaking around 50%. Where are we at?
We got it down to 97% reduction in ductwork leakage.
97%. That's sealed. You feeling better?